Okay, last time I didn't really get to show this full hobby, and I meant from that short because I wanted to put music in it. Let's do these. How did you do it, Fatface? And if you don't know, any R6 game that actually has like and if there's a bacon in that game, like a really new player, like you probably know the bacon head with like the man head, right? No. But no. It has actually been replaced with the Stevie standard face. And it's no longer the man head. It's actually been replaced with the Stevie standard head. Or maybe you could call it a classic head, but because that's the term Roblox likes to use. But still, I'm not trying to be ranting, but any R6 game with any of those kinds of bacons, they just have a fatter face. So if you see anybody that looks like any kind of bacon that looks like that, oh, did you have to do that? Look, this way you should probably do this on a private server. Like make your own private server, and especially if you're not really popular. Bro, I know you're gonna do that. I know you're gonna do that. See, I told you. I know you. Bro. Why did somebody look like... That is so annoying. That is so annoying. Just hope that person never touches me again. Look.
What you doing here? My mom let me down
Get
My mommy let me download so many games.
Okay, don't look down.
Mommy, I'm telling you guys. Close the door.
Oh God.
Close the door.
Oh. Phew. I almost moved. Because this is pretty far in. I'm almost at the end. Because the original clip was actually way long. And you mean like way long.
Okay, I want to play with you.
Okay.
Are you playing Roblox?
Yes. I'm playing Roblox. Yes. I got to the end. Bro, I got to the end.